In the United States, it's estimated that hundreds of thousands of mountain lions roam the forests and rugged slopes, especially in states like California, Colorado, Arizona, and Texas. Once, they lived quietly, rarely crossing paths with humans. But since the beginning of this year, countless attacks on livestock, pets, and even people have been reported. The cause lies in the constant expansion of residential areas, forcing these predators to lose more and more of their natural habitat. Now, encounters right at people's doorsteps have turned into a growing fear for suburban communities. The question is, how will America confront this looming danger? In recent years, the growing presence of mountain lions has forced both farmers and authorities to take action. The U.S. government, working with wildlife control agencies, has laid out a tactical plan, combining precision rifles with specially trained hunting dogs. But why is this method considered one of the most effective ways to keep such unpredictable predators in check? The rifles used in mountain lion hunts are nothing like ordinary firearms. Most hunters rely on sniper or semi-automatic rifles chambered in .243 Winchester, .308 Winchester, or 6.5 Creedmoor, renowned for their flat trajectory and near-perfect accuracy. Outfitted with high-powered scopes, these rifles ensure precise shots even on steep, rugged terrain. But the most powerful weapon isn't the gun, it's the hounds. Trained from a young age, they learn to pick up scents, navigate harsh terrain, and corner the lion. This training can take up to 2 years, covering scent tracking, endurance in the mountains, and quick response to both voice commands and GPS collars. On dangerous hunts like these, hunters bring more than just rifles and dogs. They rely on thermal scopes, handheld GPS units, radios, and even off-road vehicles to navigate vast stretches of wilderness. These tools aren't just for convenience, they're essential for survival, ensuring safety against a predator that stalks from the shadows. A mountain lion hunt is rarely short. It can last anywhere from half a day to 2 full days, depending on the weather, terrain, and the trail of the animal. Because danger is always close, hunters almost never go alone. Instead, they move in small groups of 2 to 4, with each member taking on a specific role, handling the dogs, guiding the route, or serving as the marksman. Mountain lions often hide deep in rugged wilderness, from the Rocky Mountains and Sierra Nevada to the wilds of Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico. They favor dense forests, sheer cliffs, and places rarely touched by people as their hunting grounds. To track them, hunters carefully study footprints and rely on data from previous sightings recorded by wildlife agencies. Hunting a mountain lion with rifles and hounds is a demanding pursuit that relies on tight coordination between man and dog. The chase begins when seasoned hounds are released to pick up fresh tracks left in snow, mud, or damp forest ground. Once they catch the scent, the dogs drive the lion across steep slopes and rocky terrain until it's cornered. Often, the animal scrambles up a tree or cliff to escape, forcing hunters to follow the sound of barking through the wilderness. In that final moment, a steady aim and safe position are critical to take the shot. Still, each hunt usually brings down only one cat, as these predators are solitary by nature. Hunting mountain lions with rifles and hounds offers clear advantages. It allows hunters to pinpoint their location, approach safely in rugged terrain, and avoid dangerous face-to-face encounters. This way, management can be more selective, targeting only the animals confirmed to have attacked livestock. Still, the method comes with real challenges. Training and keeping a pack of hounds is costly, and the risk of injury to both dogs and hunters is ever present. On top of that, conservationists continue to debate the ethics, arguing that such chases put tremendous stress on the animals. Despite ongoing debate, in many parts of the United States, where protecting livestock and community safety is a top priority, this combined approach is still seen as the most reliable option. It not only helps control the threat posed by mountain lions, but also represents a careful balance between safeguarding people, managing wildlife populations, and blending traditional hunting practices with modern techniques. The journey of exploring how Americans deal with mountain lions reveals the fragile balance between survival and conservation, between human safety and the wildness of nature. So, what do you think is the best way for people and mountain lions to coexist? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next gripping story.